We started the week off with a wonderful gift from Hugs Needed Daily.
You're gonna like this one. I have my suspicions. Let's see if it is what I think it is. Come on, open it. So, look at this. It's a scratch block. Yeah, that's good. Let's get it out. Look at all those yummies. Oh. Hopefully this takes you months and months and months. They're already going for it. That is so wonderful. Okay, let's go put this over by the tree, or you guys can nibble on it.
Autumn has been in the shed recovering from his injured leg. He's gotten a lot better now, and so he's spending some time out here in the yard. And the young hens are so fascinated by him. Pumpkin tried showing that he's a big root too. On Tuesday, we got more gifts. This one from Better with Pirates.
Open. All the way. Oh. Look at that. It's got Einstein. That is amazing. Thank you, Better with Pirates.
On Wednesday, we got more gifts. This one from Just Chi Chi.
Kitty, are you too busy? Kitty's too busy. Oh, no, there we go. So this package comes all the way from Singapore. So it's traveled a great distance. It is from Just Chi Chi. Kitty, right here. There you go. Pull that one. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Keep pulling. Yep, a little more. Okay, you got a little bit. Pull. Pull one big pull. Yeah, oh, you got it. Let's see what we got. Whoa. Oh, look at Oh, it's Evan. Much love from Singapore. Oh, that is precious. It's Remy. That's so cute. Look at those little poofy cheeks. And Cotton. Wow. This looks just like him. And we got more. Oh, it's Crowbar. It's our sleepy Crowbar. Wow. These are so adorable. Thank you, Just Chi Chi. Sweet Merry Christmas, Farmer Spence and family and chickens. Happy holidays. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hey, Farmer Spence. You have no idea how much joy and laughter watching the chickens has brought me and my family. Oh, thank you. Well, that brings me joy. Thank you for sharing this with the world. You are so welcome. Wishing you and Mrs. Spence, Filmer Tim, and the rest of the family a very blessed and Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy the pics of the boys I drew. Oh, yes, I do. They are precious and just amazing. That is really pretty. This is sweet. Let's get these on the tree.
Sadly, that day didn't end happy, as we had to say goodbye to Copper.
Day's been a bit rough. I just made a tweet about the passing of Copper. Really, he worked hard to try and get better. I remember him just much like Kitty and Dottie when they were young, and they would just follow me around Autumn and Copper. It's really special. And Copper would still allow me to give him hugs at the farm. So we're gonna miss that bud. He was a sweetheart. Hi, Icy. Sorry about Icy's loss. Many of you know, but he had a fox come by and took Icy's pal.
On Christmas Eve, while all the hens were sleeping, we got a visitor. And here is Christmas morning.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Whoa! What do we have? Look at that! Santa came! You got Farmer Spence, Mrs. Spence, Tim, Charles, Edward, and Peter. They have a T in this, they have letters on them. And this is Tiger and Mitten.
I got the world's very best Christmas gift from my sons. A custom Lego set of the coop and the feeder and all the pretty hens. There's only one in the world. Lavender laid her very first egg, but I don't know if she knows where to lay them yet. Mozart really wants us to know that he is Roo. And I made sure that the chickens at the farm also got yummy Christmas treats. My wife made them all gingerbread men. Yeah, cooking. Give them a couple. We'll save one big one for scissors. And 2 extra arms. Maybe Rocky will come by and get a cookie. There we go, we'll put cookies out for you. Yeah, we could stand them up. That one doesn't have a head. Ah, it's raining food! He's coming down, parachuting in. Yeah, that's kind of scary, huh? Have the little gingerbread people. Here comes another one, watch out! Ah, Pocket's going for it, that's nice. All right, so this one, sorry, he's missing the head. We got many, many more deer stopping in at the farm. And we got more magnificent wild ducks. And along with some unwelcome visitors. This week we have started giving all the birds health checkups, which also means it's a great opportunity to take lots and lots of photos. We got a visit from Fluffy Face on Christmas. We even got more presents. This one from North's.
Get that piece. All right, let's take a look. Oh, that is lovely. A little stocking. Does it have anything in it? It has a tag. Hey, Farmer Spence. Wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you. Millie is my favorite chicken, so this is for her. There we go. That's the M. Please give her a big hug from me. Will do. Millie. Oh, look. Oh, no, don't run away. Here's Millie. We got Millie. This is a hug from one of your fans. Oh. And it looks like there's another little something. Oh, this is... Oh, wow. Now, wait a minute. This was just the, like, appetizer. Oh, that is lovely. Look at that. It's got Millie on it. Let's get these on the tree.
That wraps up this week. Thank you. Please stop in and say hello at Twitch TV / OurChickenLife.